Christmas tree balloon tutorial. First, twist a 2-ear balloon knot. Twist a 2-finger width isolation bubble. Next, twist 3 2.5 finger loop twists and secure them at the locking point. Next, make another single bubble with 2 fingers. Twist and secure 3 3-finger loops together. Trim the excess balloon neck and tie a knot. Then take another twisting balloon. A single bubble made with 2 fingers. 3 4-finger loop bubbles. A 2-finger single bubble. 2 5-loop bubbles. Release excess air and tie off the balloon. When the balloon runs short of air, attach another long balloon. Continue making a 5-finger loop bubble. Trim off the excess balloon material. Tie it off securely. Twist 6 4-finger loop bubbles and wrap them around in a single junction. Adjust the shape. Secure to the Christmas tree. Next, twist a 3-loop bubble and secure it with a knot. Cut off the excess balloon tip. Secure it to the Christmas tree double ear tie. Tie off both ends of a single bubble the width of a finger. Trim off the excess balloon material. Prepare more single bubbles to attach to the Christmas tree. And the Christmas tree is complete.